Hey creators, welcome back to aifinder. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive time-saving platforms we've tested. Imagine producing a full video, script, voiceover, even an on-screen avatar, without recording a single clip or opening editing software. Sounds like a dream? It's real. Meet Keevx, a new AI video creation tool that makes content production effortless. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how fast it is, and why it might just become your new favorite shortcut. Let's get started. Keevx is a web-based AI platform that turns your ideas into studio-quality videos automatically. No downloads, no complicated setup. Just head to keevx.com, sign up, and you are in. You get 10 free video minutes, plus 25 more if you refer a friend. That's 35 high-quality, watermark-free minutes to test it out. Now, let's walk through the process and make a video with Keevx. Enter your topic. Let's try something like, how to plan a dream vacation using AI in 2025. Click Generate Script, and Keevx instantly delivers a structured, well-written script. Intro, body, outro, polished like it was crafted by a pro. You can tweak or edit it, but honestly, the default quality is excellent. Total time saved? At least 10 to 15 minutes on scripting alone. Choose avatar, style, and customize. Keevx offers 50+ AI avatars, realistic, professional, and suitable for every type of content. I'm choosing a clean corporate look. Then select a layout. Keevx has options for tutorials, explainers, social media, even presentation styles. We'll go with a minimalist YouTube layout for clarity and focus. From here, customization is where Keevx shines. Select your avatar's age, tone, and language. Use built-in AI tools to polish, shorten, or translate your script. Upload logos, images, or videos to brand your project. Choose from clean studio backgrounds or import your own. Add animated text overlays for emphasis. Pick royalty-free music, or upload your own for a personal touch. And if you work with slides, Keevx can turn your PowerPoints or PDFs into narrated videos instantly. Everything's handled in browser, no editing skills needed. Once you're happy with everything, just hit Create. Keevx builds the entire video. Your chosen avatar reads the script with a realistic AI voice, synced with surprisingly accurate lip movement. Here's what the final video looks like.
Witness the evolution of AI, enabling personalized travel. AI understands your budget, interests, and preferences, shaping your ideal trip in 2025. Input your vacation goals using AI tools. Set your budget, destination, and travel style for personalized itinerary generation and smart solutions.
From idea to fully produced presenter-led content, all in under 5 minutes. No cameras, no crew, no editing timeline. Want to go global? Keevx supports over 70 languages and 175 dialects, with voice cloning and automatic lip sync in the new language. We're not just talking subtitles, it's full-on translated narration. Same avatar, same delivery, new audience. It's a game changer for reaching viewers worldwide.
Sé testigo de la evolución de la IA que permite viajes personalizados. La IA comprende tu presupuesto, intereses y preferencias, dando forma a tu viaje ideal en 2025.
Keevx is perfect for creators, educators, marketers, and startups who want high-quality videos fast, without the production hassle. Whether you're making tutorials, promos, or short-form content, Keevx handles it all with ease. What makes Keevx different? No filming, no editing, no studio. Just ready to publish multilingual videos in minutes. Want to batch content? Drop in a few topics, let Keevx do the rest, and you've got a week's worth of content in one afternoon. Try it free at keevx.com. Get 10 free minutes, plus 25 more with a referral. And when you're ready to upgrade, unlock all features for just $8 a month. Create smarter. create faster, create without limits. Thanks for watching. See you next time on AI Finder.